You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French from French, a word that does exist in French as in English, sorry. It comes from French, it's used in English. If you want to learn more French, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Titre is the French pronunciation. It has two different meanings in French. It's either the title of a book or a movie, a work of art, titre. It's also the strength or the concentration of a substance in a solution, so more of a chemistry. It means both things in French. Chemistry vocabulary term. Titre is the French pronunciation. In English, it's either titre or titre. Both pronunciations are correct, titre or titre. In French, titre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.